Kager Industries is located in Central Texas. We have been providing custom manufactured parts since 1967. At Kager Industries, we specialize in quality parts and fast delivery. Materials we commonly machine are aluminum, brass, copper, plastic, steel, and stainless steel. We machine parts from 10 thousandths diameter up to 3/4 inch diameter bar stock. We manufacture small prototyping quantities of 10 pieces, as well as large production quantities of over 1 million pieces. At Kager Industries, you will never hear your parts are delayed because of machine downtime. Kager Industries has its own in-house maintenance and repair department. All machine parts and components are stocked in-house. With our large quantity of standard tooling kept in stock and the ability to make our own custom tools, Kager Industries is able to meet our customers' most urgent delivery requirements. Kager Industries is an ISO certified company. Our quality control system is the key factor in providing our customers with top quality custom machine components. Kager Industries inspection equipment is calibrated on regular intervals using masters traceable to NIST standards. Over 250 pieces of inspection equipment and their calibration schedule are all maintained in our inspection equipment calibration program. Parts are inspected under high magnification to assure that they are burr-free. Heat treating, annealing, and plating are services we also offer. Chips are collected and spun to extract oil. They can then be recycled. Parts are washed, deburred, and polished. This process removes any cutting fluid, burrs, or chips remaining from the machining process. After a final inspection process, parts are packaged to prevent damage during shipping. Thanks for watching. Contact us today on the web or by phone for a free quote. We would appreciate any opportunity to help with your small parts requirements.